Okay, this video will help cover the new LED upgrades and the changes that are implied when you choose the LED option over the HID. When you choose the LED option, you're first going to open the case. You're going to look and identify these light hangers, which are going to attach to the back of the lighting system, the LED unit itself. You can see on the back here, you have a 6-foot power cord, as well as these little golden hooks here. And in 1 second, we'll attach those. Okay, for the next step, we normally do this for you, but we open up the hook with a pair of pliers, and we take off the hook, take the light hangers, and we're actually going to do this, we're going to loop them in half, as you can see. And then on the top, there's a little clip. Okay. Now the reason we do that is we just shorten the length in half, so that way we have additional height in the cabinet. Now you can see right here he's braiding it through that little golden hole. Okay, you can see how he's looping it. The 2 small loops through the main one. Now he puts the little clip on the end of it. Okay, now we just shorten the length in half, and then we're going to take and put it on the S-hook. We're going to do that for all 3 sides, and then we're going to center it. Now again, this is done already if you bought one of the cabinet systems, so you don't have to worry about it, but we're just showing you for good measure. Okay, now that we have all 3 sides done, take a pair of pliers, and again, just crimp it for good measure. Of course, you don't have to, but it keeps things clean and easy. Alright, now that it's crimped, we're all set and ready to hang it. Okay, the next step here is to take your light yo-yo, which is this little pulley device, and you can see that there's actually a wing nut on it, and it says min and maximum. And when you go to the right, it tightens it, and when you go to the left, it loosens it. Now the way that works is, for a heavier light, you want to turn the wing nut to the right slowly, and it pulls in and out. Okay, it pulls in and out, so you can actually retract the lighting system, and then it locks when it hits the appropriate weight for whatever your light is. Now, this makes it easier than using light chain and trying to adjust it up as you go. You have 2 of these, one on either side. This, for example, is a cool tab. And the next step of what we're going to do is we're going to take our LED lighting system. There's a hook that we just put together earlier. And we're going to take, you can see that there's a knot actually at the bottom of these yo-yos. And the string after the knot we're going to take and just tie it simply to where the S-hook is. You can slide it up as close as possible and then tie it off. And then from this point, all you want to do with your lighting system is, with LEDs, the only difference with that versus the HID is that you get the LED lights as close as possible to your growing tips. So as you're growing, you're going to adjust that light pulley and bring it up and down so you're about 1 inch away from your plants as you grow and go, until ultimately it gets to the top of the box. Now that's really important because with the HID system, you have to have your light about 6 to 12 inches away. Another thing I'd like to mention with the LEDs is they contain both blue and red spectrum as part of the lighting system, so you don't need to switch from metal halide to HPS. You use the 1 200 watt or the 2 90 watt LED UFOs that are going to be side by side, and use those for both veg and bloom. Again, getting as close as possible to the canopy of your plants to make sure you get the best possible result.